Hi and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to analyze American Express. First we'll find out the dividend score, and after that we'll check the valuation with the help of fast graphs. A large market cap at $117 billion. The stock price while recording this video is $152, and they operate in the consumer finance industry. If we go back 10 years, we can compare American Express, the black line, versus the S&P 500, which is the blue line, and we can see that they actually go neck and neck for most of the time. American Express did drop a bit more during the last disease, and S&P 500 is actually the winner on this period at least. Now some financial data. The sales growth has been 3.5%, that's an X. The earnings is very good at 12.3%, that's a check mark. And the earnings for the next 5 years are predicted to be 7.5%, just under the threshold for EPS at 8%. The return on equity has been 25.70%, so that's a check mark. And the debt compared to their free cash flow they are generating is 2.77 years. The dividend yield is quite low, especially for a financial stock, 1.35%. The buyback yield is quite high though, almost 5%. The payout ratio is 20%, so they still have room to increase their dividend quite a lot. The growth rate is only 8.72%, and they have only been growing the dividend for 1 consecutive year. That makes up for a dividend score at 6 out of 10 points. Let's check the valuation in fast graphs. Here we have American Express in fast graphs. The white line is the dividend, and of course 2008-2009 they didn't raise their dividend during the financial crisis, but after that they are raising it, but not that fast. The orange line is the earnings per share at PE 15, and yeah, of course the earnings went down during the financial crisis 2008-2009, and same goes during the disease, but yeah, it bumped right up again 2021, and right now it seems to be a bit stale for 2022, but the complete earnings are not in yet. If we plot the normal PE, which is about 15, actually 15.81 compared to the current stock price, we can see that the stock price right now is bumping up and down around the normal valuation. And if we project out to late 2024, analysts would expect an annual rate of return of 17%. Let's check if the analysts usually are right on the analyst scorecard. And we can see that there are quite some analysts covering American Express, around 30 analysts, and they only miss the estimates 17% of the time. So yep, the estimations are quite predictable. Please like and subscribe, and also watch one of my latest videos where I recommend 5 dividend stocks for December. See you soon.